Well, good evening. I'm gonna make another video here tonight. Be up there tomorrow. What I accomplished on working on the WC today. Just a whole bunch of little short takes. And all right, that's it for now. All right, here's something I thought I'd try again. The old yucky paint. I spray it down with the oven cleaner. And sometimes it worked pretty good, sometimes not. I thought I brushed it around, and that loosened it up a lot. There's that little funky patch I put on the other day. And I don't know, we'll see how this turns out. Well, I got most of it. Better get out and get some primer and stuff. Sand it off the rest and put some primer and paint on it. Hi, kitty. Yeah, I got the hood painted. Dents and all. Isn't it nice how you can see all the little bad spots after you get fresh paint on it? Alright, that's all for this one. Thought I'd do something a little different for a while. Working on the front wheel. Got the old rusty rim cut off, and now I got to grind the pieces off. Get it so I can put it back together. That's all. Yeah, I got the hub and the spokes cleaned up halfway decent. Pretty close. Now I got to clean up the... Was a brand new rim when I got the tractor. Got to get out the wire brush and make it brand new again. Alright. Well, looks like it might work. That'll glue it fast. Alright. Well, I got it done. Kind of a sloppy job of welding, but didn't have the right kind of glasses to see what I was doing. The mosquitoes was biting and had a cramp on my leg. But I got done, so that's enough for today. That's all. Oh, the wheel didn't clean up quite like a new one, but it did clean up good enough to be a good used one. That's all.